Ito ang aking pangako, pag-ibig na di maglalaho. To be patient, to be kind and to be true, to love and to be loved by you.
Chika Minute! May nakita akong ayuda sa Twitter. For Davao event kaya to? Madaming ganap si Belle pero wala pang nalalabas. Hoho, can't wait na. Ang dami mong blessings. Congratulations. Pasabog na naman to for sure.